Today we'll be talking about Toki Pona. Let me first write it. So, how does paint work? Help, I never used it. Thank you. So, as I was saying, let me just first write it. So, why doesn't it work? So, Toki Pona, which is also written like this. So, it's a language that isn't spoken anywhere in the globe. Instead, it's a language made by the Canadian linguist Sonja Lang. Its vocabulary comprehends only. Why doesn't it work? Tell us. Its vocabulary comprehends only 200 words. And in these 200 words, there are 3 interjections. There are 4 particles. One word for plural and one word as a question word. So one plural, one question word. So the 3 interjections are a, o, and kin. So a is used to put emotion in something. For example, if you were to say hello to a really dear friend, you will say Toki ya, in which Toki means hello. A is to put emotion, so Toki ya. Then O can be used in 3 ways. It can be used as a vocative, it can be used as a imperative, and it can be used as a courtesy word. Essentially, to differentiate, you always have to remember that at the end of a sentence, it's vocative. At the start of a sentence is imperative, and right after the subject, it's courtesy. Then kin is used to mean like me too, like answering to a question. Then there are the particles. The particles are li, e, la, and p. These should look like more like an arrow. Essentially, li is to put between subject and verb. E is to put between verb and direct object. La is probably the most complicated one, but essentially it's used to add some to like explain something, to add some context, because in this language the context is everything. It's used especially to add a reason to something, where it is and when. Then p is used to change the adjective order, or like for example to put more adjectives that together don't go, like to say that something is good and it's here, you say first the object, then this, then say that it's good, and then you put here, which for example you'd say, let's write it here, sweaty animal that is, So here maybe there's a sentence that is good Pona, and here, well, you could just not use this and put n, which is a plus sign, it means and. You can write it like this, it's not wrong. Then there is the plural word. The plural word is mute. Mute is used for anything plural. Like you put a subject or anything, you put this after and it becomes plural. Then there is literally one question word, which is seme. Seme works in a question that you just say the question, the question as a normal sentence, but in the part that you don't know, the information you don't know, you put same instead of the information. So you're asking exactly for it. To say like other stuff regarding a question, like where or when, you could say tempo, which is time, same, so time when, or where, lon, which is where or truth, is when, so you say where, yeah. Then the number system of Toki Pona is honestly quite bad, because it has ala, 0, 1, wait, it's not wrote like this, it's wrote like this, 1, then we have 2, then we have Luca, then we have Mutter, yes, it's used as this, and then Ale. You can also notice that ala and ale are very similar, and ale can also be, why did I do that? Can also be pronounced as ali, because why not? So this means 0, this means 1, this means 2, this means 5, this means, wait, there are 2 different ones, this means 20, this means 100. Yeah, it's bad, as you can tell. If you need some vocabulary, you could check for 2 stuff specifically. I suggest you to search for Lipulinku, which is a site in which it's particularly a vocabulary of the language. Or you could just search for maybe how to say something in Toki Pona. You could search it directly on Google, or maybe on Reddit, on anywhere that people actually talk. Anyway, mind knowing that actually I don't know if it's made like this, but Pona means both good and simple. Toki means to talk or language or communication. So it both means the language of good and the simple language. I think that's everything I should have covered, for the basics at least. Yeah, well, bye bye.